Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete collections in Webflow CMS. This is particularly useful when you need to clean up your site's content structure or remove collections you no longer use. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Go ahead and log in using your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can manage all your projects and sites. In your dashboard, navigate to All Sites. Here, hover your mouse over the site where you want to delete a collection and click Open in Webflow. This will take you directly into the site's editing environment where you can manage both design and content elements. Now that you're inside your site's editor, look at the upper left panel. You'll see a button labeled CMS right beside the design option. Click on CMS to access your site's content management system. This is where all your collections, items, and content structures live, making it the central hub for managing your site's dynamic content. Once you're in the CMS section, shift your attention to the upper right panel. You'll find a button that says Select. Click on this button to enable selection mode. This feature allows you to choose multiple collections at once if needed, making bulk actions much more efficient. With selection mode now active, you'll notice checkboxes appear next to each collection name. Go ahead and check the box beside the collection you want to delete. Make sure you're selecting the correct collection, as this action will permanently remove all the content and structure associated with it. After selecting your collection, navigate back to the upper right panel. Here, you'll see a Delete button. Click on it to initiate the deletion process. Webflow needs to confirm this action because deleting a collection is irreversible and will remove all items within that collection from your site. A confirmation dialog will appear on your screen asking you to verify this action. This is Webflow's safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Click Delete permanently to finalize the removal of your collection. Once you confirm, the collection and all its contents will be completely removed from your CMS. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a collection from your Webflow CMS, cleaning up your site's content structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.